Oftentimes people ask us questions after they've been in an accident. What can we do? What should we do? What can't we do? And what shouldn't we do? With social media being what it is, and it's now one of the largest things that happens on the internet, and one of the most difficult things for us as lawyers to deal with is what happens on the internet stays on the internet. So we always advise our clients to be very, very careful with their social media and do not put any details about their case, claim, medical malpractice event, or whatever the reason is that they called us. Nothing should be on your social media about that. The reason being is what seems like an innocuous post that isn't going to hurt anybody can turn out to be something that comes up and is presented to a jury during your trial. It can come up during your deposition. It can come up at any point. For example, you just had a car accident and you're going on a simple fishing trip with your friends and or family. The fishing trip sounds relaxing, sounds easy, but let me tell you some of the many ways that a defense lawyer will take that fishing trip that you put a picture of on Facebook or Instagram and use it against you. They're going to say, hey, look at that person. They weren't hurt. They were on a boat. They were fishing. They were smiling. They were having a grand old time right after their car accident. Yet they're sitting in front of you today, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, and saying that they were hurt, they were uncomfortable, and they were miserable. And that is one of the major ways in which social media is involving itself in people's cases and the outcomes of their cases. Because again, what people forget and what you don't think about when you put that picture of you up there smiling, that is a snapshot in time. That's a millisecond that it took to take that picture. No matter how uncomfortable you are, no matter how much pain you're in, you can always muster up a quick smile or two. And that's what gets remembered on social media. You don't put the stuff on social media about, hey, this morning I couldn't get out of bed because my back hurt so bad, or I was miserable today because I couldn't reach my crutches and nobody was home to get them for me. That stuff doesn't go on social media. So the best thing to do with your social media while you have a claim pending or while you're involved with our firm is to stay off your social media. Feel free to be what they call a social media stalker and stalk all your friends on social media. Stalk everybody that you like to follow on social media, but follow one simple rule. Don't post anything about yourself, your health, or your well-being on social media while your claim is pending. Because more often than not, whatever you post will come back and hurt you. Defense lawyers are very creative, very savvy, and very smart. They'll find a simple way to take a very simple, harmless photo and use it against you.